Thinking about the Dacia Duster 2025, it promises incredible value, but here's the hard truth. You could be wasting your money if you don't know about these critical problems. Today we're exposing the top issues nobody tells you, so you can make an informed decision and stop throwing cash away. Welcome back to Supercar. If you're serious about smart car choices, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, because we're diving deep into the Dacia Duster 2025. The Duster has always been a beacon of affordability in the SUV market, renowned for its no-frills practicality and rugged charm. The 2025 model continues this legacy, offering a fresh design and new powertrains, including a hybrid option. However, affordability often comes with compromises, and with the Duster, some of these can lead to unexpected frustrations, costly repairs, or a diminished ownership experience. Don't let initial savings turn into long-term regrets. Let's uncover the top problems you need to be aware of before you buy. Problem 1. The infotainment system's digital demons. In a world where seamless technology is expected, the Duster's infotainment system can feel like a step backward. Many buyers waste money by assuming modern tech, only to find themselves battling frustrating glitches and connectivity nightmares. The Dacia Duster 2025 aims to bring modern features, but this is an area where owners consistently report significant headaches. The multimedia screen often fails to turn on, gets stuck during startup, or goes completely black. Touchscreen unresponsiveness is a common complaint, rendering the system frustratingly unusable. We've heard reports of the screen even getting stuck on the 360-degree camera view, which can be a safety concern. Beyond the display itself, connectivity issues are rampant. Android Auto frequently struggles to connect, or there's no audio for music or navigation even when it does. Bluetooth devices can unpair randomly for no apparent reason. Other electronic quirks include intermittent turn signal sounds, loud jarring noises from speakers upon unlocking, and the backlights on steering wheel buttons flickering off. While software updates are expected, the sheer prevalence and persistence of these issues, even in brand new 2025 models, mean you could be wasting money on a system that doesn't consistently deliver on its promises, leading to frustration and potential dealership visits. Problem 2. The hybrid transmission's unexpected quirks and hidden inefficiencies. Opting for the Duster hybrid seems like a smart financial move for fuel savings, but a major problem many discovered too late is that the transmission's surprising quirks can actually waste money by undermining its very purpose. The 2025 Duster Full Hybrid is a significant addition, but its powertrain can deliver an unsettling experience. Owners report the engine randomly screaming instead of changing gear from time to time, indicating a lack of refinement in the automatic transmission's shifting. More critically for your wallet, the transmission often holds lower gears for longer than usual, especially at speeds between 50 and 70 kilometers per hour. This isn't just an annoyance. It directly leads to a noticeable increase in fuel consumption, negating the primary benefit of buying a hybrid. Furthermore, some drivers observe the car unnecessarily charging the electric motor from the engine, even when the battery already has ample charge and is actively regenerating electricity. This inefficient energy management means the car is burning fuel when it doesn't need to, essentially wasting money on every journey. If you're buying the hybrid for maximum economy, be aware that its real-world performance might not live up to expectations. Problem 3 is the costly start-stop system and electrical vulnerabilities. The Duster's initial affordability can, kind of mask some hidden long-term costs, especially from its start-stop system and overall electrical reliability. Many buyers end up wasting money on expensive, recurring maintenance without really knowing about these critical vulnerabilities. The Dacia Duster's start-stop system, which is supposed to save fuel, actually turns out to be a frequent source of unexpected expenses. Owners often see check start-stop messages on the dashboard and notice the switch lighting up randomly, sometimes with that classic weak battery sound. These issues are, more often than not, tied to the specialized start-stop battery. Here's the thing, these batteries are a lot more expensive than standard car batteries, sometimes even 3 times the cost, and honestly, they tend to have a shorter lifespan. Even if a start-stop battery shows what looks like an acceptable voltage when the car is off, it might still be considered worn out and just can't handle the system's demands. What's really crucial is that low voltage from a failing battery can trigger all kinds of engine control unit or ECU fault codes, which can lead to poorer engine performance or even limp mode. So, a simple battery issue can actually cascade into much more serious and costly operational problems. Ignoring these known electrical vulnerabilities and the specific demands of the start-stop system is pretty much a direct path to wasting significant money on maintenance. Problem 4 is safety system malfunctions and limited advanced driver assist features. You might think you're getting a full suite of modern safety features, but a big mistake is overlooking the Duster's safety system limitations and actual malfunctions. You could be wasting money on features that don't reliably work, or honestly, even worse, compromising your safety. While the Duster meets essential safety standards, Dacia's focus on affordability means they don't really chase the highest Euro NCAP scores by packing in expensive, cutting-edge active safety systems. More concerningly, some of the advanced driver assist systems included can be unreliable. Owners have reported the car stopping by itself due to incorrectly detecting obstacles that just aren't there. This false positive braking is a serious safety concern, especially at speed. Features like speed sign recognition, lane assist, and auto brake, all of which rely on the top front camera, have been reported to stop working entirely or get stuck on incorrect speed limits. The emergency brake light can also illuminate and stay on without any real cause. These issues, which are often linked to software, mean you're paying for features that might not perform as expected, or that could even create dangerous situations. Wasting money on safety tech that isn't fully reliable or comprehensive is a risk no buyer should ignore. Problem number 5. Build quality and refinement compromises leading to long-term dissatisfaction. When you buy a budget car, you expect some compromises. But honestly, a critical mistake Duster buyers make is dismissing specific build quality and comfort issues that go beyond acceptable trade-offs, ultimately wasting money on a less satisfying long-term ownership experience. So, there you have it. 5 critical problems to know before buying a Dacia Duster 2025 that can help you stop wasting money. From unpredictable infotainment and hybrid quirks to hidden electrical costs, safety limitations, and long-term comfort compromises, being aware is really your best defense. The Dacia Duster still offers undeniable value for its price. It's spacious, practical, and for many, it represents accessible SUV ownership. However, smart buyers understand that initial savings can be eroded by unexpected issues. Are these problems deal breakers for you? Are you prepared for potential frustrations and unforeseen maintenance? Ultimately, the choice is yours. This deep dive aims to empower you with the full picture, helping you weigh the Duster's strengths against its potential weaknesses. What are your thoughts? Do these problems change your perspective on the Duster? Share your comments below. And while you're there, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell for more unvarnished automotive truths. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.